cracked person in this world. Look at this.
Hi guys,
Hello guys. What's up?
how are you all?
I'm good.
Not you. I'm talking about our followers, subscribers. I hope everyone is great. Do you
I
wanna
hope
say-
everything is for great and
What
fine.
happened to you?
I'm sorry. I was just kidding, you know. Actually, I was graduated in Harvard Law College.
Guys, we are out today. We're here at Rose Garden where whole place is filled with rose. Not now, but in April it will be. It will?
It will bloom around.
Yeah, in April. So here we are today to shoot our videos as well and make my promotion video as well. So yeah, I'll show you around. You wanna say something?
I love you all.
How could you love all?
Why? Kind of love my followers.
You should love me, not my. Okay, guys, bye bye. See you. What do you mean by that? Just kidding. Okay, bye bye, guys. Everyone.
What's up, man? Sassy buddy.
एक्सपोजर पुरा बेसी भयो क्या तपाईँको है म पुरा टल्के
I want to show a most cracked person in this world. Look at this. Oh, look at this girl.
अब यो मेरो टी-सर्टको भिडियो कहाँ बनाउनु ओ माथि बनाउनु
टी-सर्टको भिडियो घरमा टी-सर्ट टक्क राख्नु न त्यहाँ बनाइरहनु न भिडियो त्यो यतातिर पनि छ बाटो म त कहिले
यस्तो गर्नु न 1300 मा
यस्तो
यस्तो
यस्तो सब सिकाइदिन्छ म कसम भन्दै हो
सब सिकाउनु पर्छ गाइस एक्सपोजर पुरा बेसी छ तपाईको ब्याग देखाउनु
I'm a camera holder and I'm a bag holder.
यहाँ
What am I,
बनाउनु
your
पर्छ
servant?
भिडियो है हो त बनाउँछु भने अलिक खुला